What I want to show you here is just the power that tracing can give you as a creator. So I've started now with a blank canvas, and I'm on an iPad Pro, so I'm able to pull up another window here. And let's say that I want to draw out a tree. Now some of these are really intricate, but let's just say I just want a simple one. And I know that it's going to be hard, maybe I'm not confident enough to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and hold my finger down on this, save the image, and then I'm going to go ahead and go back in here, insert that image, and then reshape it so it takes over my canvas. Because at the end of the day, I'm going to delete the background anyways and make this a PNG. So now that I have this image here and I'm on layer 1, I'm going to go ahead and click on what I call the magic wand tool and select opacity. And here's where I'm just going to bring down the opacity so it's not quite as bright. And what I'm doing really is creating tracing paper. So now I'm going to add a layer on top of it, and I'm just going to use it as a guide. Remembering that if I want to fill this, I have to close all of my, oops, I must not have closed my lines. I have to close all my lines. Yeah, right down here, it wasn't closed yet. That should work now. Okay, so now I'm going to select my green. And same thing, again, just use it as a guide. Obviously, we don't want to totally copy it exactly, but so now I'm going to go ahead and fill. I must not have closed that either. Where did I not close that thing? Oh, right here. Here we go. I'm going to clean up some of this by just drawing on top of it, making sure all my lines look good. And then you can start playing with it. So here's where I'm going to delete the layer behind it, and now I have my own tree, and I can select some really cool art tools. Like I can select water brush and maybe choose like a lighter color and like water brush on top of this, which is really fun. Maybe I'm going to do some green over here, add some texture. But at the end of the day, when I have my tree ready to go, I don't like that green at all, by the way. I'm going to take that away. I'm going to go up to my layers, and I'm going to turn the background color layer off. So now you see I just have this PNG of my tree clip art. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that wrench again, and I'm going to select share and hit share artwork, and here's where I'm going to have some options. I'm going to select PNG. It's going to export, and I can either airdrop it to my computer, or what I like to do is put it in my image file. But you could put it directly into your drive or any of the other apps here. So I'm going to go ahead and select Save Image. Now I know that it is in my camera roll, so that when I'm actually building out my, when I'm building out my sketch art, and let's say, oh, I really, really, really want that tree, I can go ahead, go back to my camera roll, bring in the tree that I just drew, and now I've saved myself tons of time. Ta-da!